Have you seen those cool 3D name images people are making with AI lately? With just a few steps, you can turn your name into something creative that pops off the screen. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to create amazing graphics with AI. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 3D AI name images with a car of your own, using Bing's image generation, a powerful tool that can generate stunning visuals from your words. Whether you want to make a cool logo, a personalized gift, or a unique profile picture, this tutorial will help you achieve your goals. It's simple, free, and super fun to experiment with AI art. Smash that like button and let's get started. You need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, just go ahead and create one for free. This allows you access to create images with Bing Image Creator tool. Once you're signed in, you can start creating. Step 1. Go to the Bing Image Creator website, or open Microsoft Edge and select the Bing Image Creator icon in the top side. This is where you can enter your prompt, which is a short description of what you want to create. At the moment, you can enter up to 4,000 characters. For example, if you want to make a 3D AI name image with the name Alice, you can type a descriptive prompt like, a 3D profile name image car featuring Alice, in rose gold black colors. You can also add more details, such as the style, the background, or the effects you want to apply. Get creative and specific here. Generate the image you want to generate and keep tweaking the prompt until you get something you like. Once you have entered the description of your image, click the Create button. Step 2. Wait for the Bing Image Creator to generate 4 different 3D AI name images for you. You can see them on the left side of the screen. You can also click on the refresh button to get more options. Choose the image that you like the most and click on it to see it in full size. You can also edit the image by clicking on the pencil icon. This will allow you to change the colors, the size, the position, or the angle of the image. Step 3. Once you are happy with your 3D AI name image, you can select from many options available. For example, you download it to your device by clicking on the download button. You can also create a QR code for the 3D image or simply share it with your friends or on social media by clicking on the share button. You can also copy the prompt and the image URL by clicking on the copy button. This way, you can easily recreate the same image or use it as a reference for your future projects. Surprise me! If you're not sure where to begin creating a 3D image, inside the Bing Image Designer, you can ask the AI to surprise you. And it sure will. When I asked the AI to surprise me, here is what it gave me. Even though the image is a surprise, I have to admit that it's not bad at all. As you can see, it just takes minutes to create a 3D AI name image with Bing. Isn't that amazing? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the 3D AI name images and what other prompts you would like to try. Check out the crazy stuff I was able to create and make your own. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more AI experiments and tutorials. Simply impress your friends with personalized 3D images made just for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my next videos. I post new tutorials every week on how to create awesome stuff with AI. Thanks for watching and see you next time.